Hello students, in this video I will explain a few new topic of chapter atoms and molecules. So first of all, drawbacks of Dalton's atomic theory. Number one is one of the major drawback of Dalton atomic theory of matter is that atoms were thought to be indivisible. That means which cannot be divided. But now we know that under special circumstances, atoms can be further divided into smaller subatomic particles like electrons, protons, and neutrons. Next is Dalton atomic theory says that all the atoms of the element have exactly same mass. But now we know that the atoms of the same element can have slightly different masses, and this is known as isotopes. So example, there are three isotopes of hydrogen, protium, deuterium, and tritium. Isotopes are the same element having same atomic number but different mass. So protium, deuterium and tritium having different mass 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Next is Dalton's atomic theory said that atoms of different elements have different masses, but now atoms of different elements can have same masses like argon and calcium. Argon atomic number 18 and calcium atomic number 20, but mass of argon and calcium is same, which is 40, and this is known as isobar. So isobar, different elements having different atomic number but same mass number is called isobars. Now next is symbols of elements. When we say the symbols of elements, it means that symbols of the atoms of the elements, because elements are made up of atoms. Now Dalton was the first scientist who used symbols to represent elements in a short way. But these symbols were difficult to draw and inconvenient to use. So they are not used at all. Now J.J. Berzelius of Sweden, who proposed that first letter or the first letter and the second letter of the name of an element be used as its symbol. Next is significance of the symbols of an element. Number 1, symbol represent the name of the element. Example, C represent carbon element. Next, symbol represent one atom of the element. Example, C, symbol C represent one atom of the carbon element. Next, symbol also represent one mole of the atom of the element. Example, symbol C also represent one mole of carbon atom. That is, symbol C represent 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon. Next, symbol also represent a definite mass of the element. Example, symbol C represent 12 gram of carbon. Now next is, how do atoms exist? So atom usually exist in two ways. Number 1, in the form of molecules, and number 2, in the form of ions. Now next is, what is molecules? A molecule is an electrically neutral groups of two or more atoms chemically combined together or bonded together. Molecules can be formed either by the combination of the atom of the same element or of different elements. So depending on this, there are two types of molecules: molecules of elements and molecules of compound. Now next is, what is molecules of element? So the molecules of an element contain two or more similar atoms chemically combined together For example, hydrogen, which is H2, which contain two atoms of hydrogen chemically combined together,